It's July 4, and today in Philippine history, we commemorate Independence Day. Philippine-American Friendship Day. Philippine Republic Day. Confused ka na ba? Hindi ka nag-iisa. I am Mona Magnoveluz. I hunt down ancestors and chase fascinating stories in Philippine history. The Philippines was a U.S. colony from 1898 to 1946. Noong 1946, matapos ang halos kalahating siglo ng kolonyal na pamamahala ng Amerika, nilagdaan ang Treaty of Manila. Gumawa sila ng grandstand malapit sa Luneta para sa isang bonggang seremonya ng pagbaba ng bandila ng Estados Unidos at pagtaas ng bandila ng Pilipinas. What was once called the Independence Grandstand is now called the Quirino Grandstand. Quirino was the first president to take his oath of office there. So July 4 became our official Independence Day in 1946. Sinabay sa Independence Day na Amerika. Ika nga ni Kumaring Alanis. Ironic. Granting the Philippines independence on July 4 underscored how our freedom was still framed through the lens of our former colonizer rather than on our own chosen moment of liberation. Yun siguro yung logic ni Alejandro Roses, National Artist for Literature and former Secretary of Education, kaya he championed the shift of Independence Day from July 4 to June 12. Noong 1962, inilipat ni Pangulong Diosdado Macapagal ang Araw ng Kalayaan sa June 12 upang igalang ang deklarasyon ni Emilio Aguinaldo noong 1898 laban sa Espanya. July 4 was rebranded as Philippine Republic Day. When I was in grade school in the late 1970s, we called July 4 Philippine-American Friendship Day. Over the years, yun yung dalawang terms na pinagpapalit-palit to refer to July 4. Dati wala kaming pasok pag July 4. June 12, 1898 and June 4, 1946 are both significant dates in Philippine history. June 12, 1898 represented the Filipinos' commitment to govern ourselves with integrity. July 4, 1946 marks the moment when the Philippines stood as a sovereign republic in the eyes of the world. Ang Deklarasyon ng Kalayaan ay una, ang pagtanggap natin ng responsibilidad ng pamamahala sa ating bayan at pangalawa, ang pagkilala ng ibang bansa sa ating kasarinlan. O diba?
Meow meow.